Aha, Kama Studios. Ene, yawo honorable lawyer Assafuah ono na MP for Otafo. Wadi nsa beto dwase omopa Ashanti region for nukumasifo ina acho.
Asante mamuntie me. Mufanche samre no de.
Because say Suame Interchange abusuamo ntima anyanwi na ono akasa ni kwadua no okofa ho a na chese ajanare ho.
So I'm run about. What time aye ho fi simple interchange ntumi anya de amaye.
Na afei so chese ade no esisi no so enti sa brede wadi chopper abre kumasifo your full video no wa ha. Kwajon kansa le won so launch ni movie what to the din Tears of a Father eno se beka ho asem ne.
Adofo message subscribe Wisdom Empire TV.
The message say obeja gwa no video ni na mana kwa wi High Kama Studios and I go by the name Sticky the Superstar. If today your first time message say subscribe to this platform, but be share video bia no be like na be share na Facebook follow all the social media handles. Now you started with honorable lawyer Assafuah ono na ye MP for Otafo. Na ochomo say NPP 8 years are omo yes their major project bit make say na major project anon ko mo ye no we kumase the Suame Interchange abusuamo ntima anyanwi na sabrede or the chopper amaye kumasifo ina ni Ashanti region fo ina yonko bo ni video ni ba ya de kwajon kansa lewe ono so the movie a wade ba to the Tears of a Father ya bo eno so the video amware
Me vote am yan kasa minya he no do so chen ba o mia bebre because they will vote for me, especially that zongo for no, but still oya dey a ompe MPP. So what you be am na obuso am say what is the point if say ye de mo ankasa mo krom ni e de ne bae and still you people did not vote for him. You kind and sometimes one of the reasons of the bema no is pathetic. Apart from say pathetic no I was see esua hu nyansa and that is why I me di hu yaw say me ti wo ba bi say obi ka say ba omia ye kremoni nti na nkrofan to abama no. Who told you?
Let's zoom in.
Who told you? What I catch
what are some of the factors?
Let me give you one example.
Me
send you a debit amount of phones to see.
Maybe
me fast one roundabout.
Okay. Oh yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
Me fast one roundabout. Who finish why your time?
Where if your time?
Of course.
Really?
Go show some roundabout.
Pretty among project
MPP.
Is it the Ministry of Finance?
Nyabotre.
Okay.
Masanya mo. MPP. Abet now akonya so for 8 years. Okay? Na you say Asante man the MPP in the tray fruma. Na yentumi anye no ma akase bi anfa mo Asante man. Asante man muntie me. Mo fanche samre no de.
But you admit say mo de ehwamo.
Na samre no de na yemu bi.
You admit say mo de ehwamo.
Na yemfi susa.
You admit say mo de ehwamo.
But I am promising you that onyankopon ya adom na mo san de ba omia ba. Yemu bi. De be ye ama MPP. Ye de moa kese e de aba eye Ashanti region and you will do it. Then I'll tell you why.
Tell me.
The reason why aba omia wi elusu ye no was not about so ye kremuni. Eye den na tafu zongo ni abrantie. Me ni omobobo otibi ka tell say honorable. MPP 8 years no mama ye hwe anfa amoaye o. Then I get surprised. No I refer to Suame roundabout. Say me go twa mu me de abobo ya eye friends e pragia. E go twa mu o. Suame roundabout. What time aye who fi simple interchange ntumi anya de amaye. This is what somebody from Tafuzongo we jina so no dia to abati aye de etia MPP. Then I ask myself say na say ade we die emra aye ya no say be ye Suame roundabout. The exchanges ne ye betwa ayi na no ya no say be ye but aye den ye ntumi anya sa ade. Then I started explaining to the boy when him say me betray letter bi na me gitre na me ka chen say this is not about Baumia. Letter now me chair Abrante no. I have sent it to you.
April 20.
It is yes, it is a Ministry of Finance letter. Salete way, it took Baumia so many months, almost a year. Almost a year for say Charles Edibuahe and the money signed Salete way.
April 2022.
Even at the time wa metumi akasa na ne panyini enye na adwene say also bosan letter because Baumia kan ya because Baumia knew that Suame Interchange is going to be one of the most important infrastructure projects in Ashanti region. Betumi aboma MPP enya
etiwe honorable lawyer Assafuah MP for Otafo no ne nsɛm ɔde to dwa concerning Suame Interchange a wɔkyerɛ mu sɛ they are really sorry for what happened na wɔkyerɛ mu asɛm na areho pa eti eno the free honorable Assafuah hoba now Kojon cancel when of late or the movies or producing Ghanaian movies just and then say they back to back and then say and I'm spotting the video on the internet and what you say or the new movie we babontin what on the tears of a father
na adwuma ba na no den Tears of a Father
na or someone can subscribe to the platform no YouTube Wizzy Empire TV na the movie will be dropping very soon. You can see on some of the soldier concerning the upcoming movie.
Good afternoon all my fans. Other fun tell me Jina Samri and the Ghana phone who support my movie industry, who support my career. Nyame aduma coming Saturday 4 p.m. and a Wizzy Empire make sure say full movies abogu me YouTube or YouTube. Other former success subscribe Wizzy Empire TV. Na adwuma ba na no den Tears of a Father the first time masha say me the full movies ebegu YouTube or Wizzy Empire TV it remind my fans mo do me na time bia mo hwe new movies no mesra say subscribe Wizzy Empire TV on YouTube if it's Saturday you will see atum wi a fi okọ ni nyina no the full movies and sha say ebegu enye series ele movies new movies atwa nkwa na nsa na etwa ni nyina wie Tears of a Father anodin ano you movie be more than 15 any movies ko atwa na no before nsa na ebetwa Captain Ben Troy no etino mas me decide say me de ba YouTube ansa na e da ko ba bia etino wa bo che ba bia la awa company na che no yankopa adom adwo yipumakwam emre na so to bia subscribe Wizzy Empire TV that Saturday e de enim ye 4 o'clock and I shall say Tears of a Father at their tomb. A passage on prayer room, sitting with 3 force room, all the stars will be a wombi. It's a very non story. Say, Papa, I know you don't matter. Now, Oba quietly, now the kidney say, now Papa could eat the kidney, Dama Crano, now if you watch like a cabin or Banaja Hoko. Now, Papa no shark, I get a in the more problem, Sam, the beginning. Then you may have a baby billionaire. Now, the pebinti. And then at 17, I can't feel Papa no take grass and a come where no just a lot. Now, Papa is on the sofa. And my friend the pan a passage on prayer. When a share Papa in Quans, the end in the meeting country. What can I say? Saturday, train 4 o'clock, local Wizzy Empire TV. Tears of a Father, and a do too. Obian subscribe on our monthly. We are document or send a you miss a comment if you stick on a movie my next movie no yem fa mmb na I come na mo hwe so na be ya ya be so de more na aba ko you group 1 2 3 sa na say when I respond them man isuade ya na ese be say fru be say be fru ntino all Wizzy Empire fans ma do fu nyina do me bia mo nyina mo nka mum na Saturday ye nyina enkohwe Tears of a Father no o YouTube Wizzy Empire TV na subscribe na emi abed no so be tuma obeti na en share nhwe na nya kama na fe fru okro no if a movie second in a full movies for America Sampono, you will see this a Wizzy Empire. It has a produce. Ubu Benya series a hurry continuous. Anna for now on Saturday after Saturday, Corbulam saw Ubinya full movie. Moving is on the full 2 hours, between 2 hours. Story when they were 1 hour, 2 hours, also Western Kakara. To end the Captain part 1 and 2. The album say 1 2 3 and so we move to ma within 2-3 days. Then the next one about 2 days, and next one about na face. You cause and you know. And Wizzy Empire started production. And the a new full movie is why the baby demo. Timon Shas and Amona and Yakama. Because I love you guys. Let's support Ghana movie industry. Let's push Ghana movie industry to the world, you know. And Chebiasono. Now may the Captain Ben Trono ever to subscribe. I can't go Ghana so ever betum na mahwe yaje right no e de ba betum ana mene e papa legend that didn't movie so e da stand by and so enche a full movie sin kwan de ba bremo it no obi an subscribe Wizzy Empire TV. Let's support movie industry. We are here to support our own. Let's support our own. Love you guys. Abotie for my company ache afi ma sha Saturday munyira munyipi enko Wizzy Empire TV. Na yesha hwe Tears of a Father anodin anodin. You could from Sikani, your Marquen, your Dawson. Saturday, Pacho, in show YouTube now, and movie, near Shasi and Fossil Floor Uncle. I know say Oberhe na Menyeska. I said to be as I don't know him. Thank you. I hope you see so I TV so Fako to Lawson TV. For TV to Lawson TV every Monday to Wednesday. Umi Assafuah. Say double 4. Every Friday 9:30 UTV. Mr. President. Endorsement. Team Slow. Uwe Muswa. Obenye biare. To let's support. Nyankupo Nshram. I love you guys. God bless you guys. Thank you very much.
That is Kwadun Cancer Lewin, one of the finest Eyokumood actors and one of the actors we have in the country. Need some of the two we are concerning the any new project or whatever Bontian or the Tears of a Father. Karma Studios. Say if you really enjoyed this video, kindly share this video, like, subscribe to this platform, and don't forget to follow us on all the social media handles at Karma Studios. I go by the name Sticky the Superstar. As you know already, your favorite and your youngest content creator. I'm finally out.